Okay, you're on. Oh, hold on, here comes the car. Stop right there, buddy. Okay, now you can go. Nice brakes. Hunter. Go, Kaden.
That's Barbie bike.
I think that is Barbie bike. Is that good enough for a Barbie bike?
Yeah.
Is that what you want with the Barbie bike? Let me see some more.
No problem.
Go, Cadence. Oh, yeah. I think that is Barbie bike material right there.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
See, now you're even turning. Use your brakes.
I get it.
Nice. See, you even turned.
Rubbing me is rubbing.
You're a weirdo.
I thought you were going to crash into me. Yeah.
Good brakes. Cadence just learned how to ride it. Within the last hour. Picked it up, no problem. So now she's going to get a brand new Barbie bike. Right? Right?
Yep.